the Orthodox churches and the churches of the East still carry on their liturgy in that mystical fashion. There is chanting, there is the use of the different languages which are not spoken languages. Then there is more incense and a certain amount, an aura of otherness happens. And after the reforms of the council, sometimes not because of the reformers, but because individual persons decided to take matters into their hands and did things rather superfluously, the church had gradually lost that mystical element, that element of the hidden. And that's why a lot of people are finding our liturgy, our prayer life boring, because there's no symbolism in it. We have deprived it of it, and we've reduced it to certain actions. Actions is not the most important thing. The most important thing is being, not action, not doing, but being. The liturgy is being present to God, being open to God, and His unwritten language which He speaks to us, which is a profoundly transforming power that works in and through our liturgy, even if we may not understand everything we are doing. In all these Oriental religions, lots of things are filled with the aura of mysticism and of meditation, of various kinds of exotic sort of actions. And these have this is a language that speaks to the heart, which we should not give up as Catholic Church. In the extraordinary form, we have conserved that. We have protected those symbols and this mystical language which speaks to our heart, more than in the Novus Ordo. So we need to improve the Novus Ordo. We need to strengthen it further if we are going to make a dent in our evangelical efforts.